Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss the term rhetoric. Introduction. Rhetoric, an ancient discipline with roots in classical Greece, plays a vital role in the art of persuasion and the study of language. Aristotle, the renowned Greek philosopher, defined poetry as a form of imitation representing human thoughts, emotions, actions, and interactions in verbal form. In his work Poetics, he emphasized elements such as plot, character, thought, and action within poetry itself. In contrast, Aristotle's rhetoric focused on the art of discovering persuasive techniques in discourse, aiming to influence an audience's thoughts, feelings, and actions. Many classical rhetoricians concurred that rhetoric primarily concerns discourse that persuades an audience. However, Quintilian, a prominent Roman rhetorician, gave rhetoric a moral basis, defining it as the art of a virtuous person skilled in speaking. Components of effective rhetorical discourse. Aristotle's influence led classical theorists to analyze effective rhetorical discourse as having three main components: invention, disposition, and style. Invention involves finding persuasive arguments or proofs, while disposition focuses on arranging these materials coherently. Style encompasses the choice of words, verbal patterns, and rhythms to effectively convey the content. Classical rhetoricians classified oratory into three main types, each utilizing distinct devices for persuasion: deliberative, forensic, and epidictic. Deliberative oratory aims to persuade an audience, such as a legislative assembly, to approve or disapprove of a matter of public policy. Forensic oratory seeks to condemn or approve of someone's actions in a judicial trial. Epidictic or display rhetoric is used on ceremonial occasions to praise or blame individuals or groups, showcasing the orator's skills. Figurative language and cognitive rhetoric. Figurative language, discussed extensively in traditional rhetorics, was considered one element of style and often subordinated to the overall goal of persuasion. However, in the present century, the analysis of figurative language has gained prominence, being viewed independently by literary critics, language theorists, and philosophers. Some theorists emphasize that figurative elements in all discourse are inherently non-referential and counterlogical, challenging attempts to achieve decidable meanings, logical coherence, or reference beyond language. Additionally, cognitive rhetoric has emerged from the viewpoint of cognitive science, exploring the general operations of the mind and brain, bridging the gap between literary and non-literary, and rhetorical and non-rhetorical mental and linguistic processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, rhetoric remains a study of language in its practical uses, with a primary focus on persuasion and its effects on an audience. Aristotle's foundational concepts, including invention, disposition, and style, continue to shape rhetorical analysis. However, contemporary theorists have also extended the study to include figurative language as an independent concern and have explored cognitive aspects of rhetoric. Through its rich history and evolving approaches, rhetoric continues to illuminate the power and complexities of language in human communication. So this was the discussion on the term rhetoric. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.